Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm in the chart of Euro USD and I'm in my personal favorite and the most beloved time frame in the Forex world, 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I have already drawn a black line here. So this black line is the resistance for the market. So market has opened. Today is Monday, so this analysis will be valid for Monday as well as for tomorrow also. Okay, so we can see that overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. There is no doubt about it that market is in uptrend. Just look at the trend and you can see market is getting the support from the 50 moving average. Just look at this portion here, here. So more or less market is getting the required support from the 50 moving average. Okay, it went out of track for a particular time, but overall we can see that 50 moving average is a valid support for the market. So, and as I've already mentioned, the market is in uptrend. So in an uptrend market, as I always say, we should only be looking for buying opportunities so that we get to stay ahead with along with the trend. And as I always say, do not go against the trend. Do not trade against the trend if you are a beginner. If you are a pro trader, you have got some experience, then only you should be looking for going against the trend. Okay, but considering that you have got not much experience, if you're a beginner, okay, if you're still learning, then always stay with the trend. So this is a trending market right now, we can see, and market is in uptrend. So in an uptrend market, we should always be looking for the area of value, and that area of value is near the support. So here the support is the 50 moving average. Therefore your first trading opportunity will be near the 50 moving average, which is the support for the market. Okay, so right now you can see that price is being rejected from above. Okay, once price comes down to this particular level, 50 moving average, then just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price. If you see that price is getting rejected from below, okay, so for example, after hitting the support level 50 moving average, if you see a candlestick pattern like this or a green pattern like this, okay, then you will get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is providing the valid support to the market. It is a valid support. Okay, then you can go for a buy order at the 50 moving average. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity, and second trading opportunity is this level. As you can see right now, market is getting price rejection from above. Okay, but in an uptrend market like this, market should break this kind of levels easily. Okay, but there is a thing that I would like to show you. But before going to that particular point, I would like to mention the opportunity that you may be getting here today or tomorrow. Okay, so second trading opportunity is, let the market cross this particular level, 1.2175 level. Okay, see, market will see, though market is in uptrend, still market will be facing some trouble in this chart. Okay, I'll be showing you, but to remember, if market crosses this level, okay, 1.2175 level, then you'll be getting a buying opportunity. Okay, what do you need to do? Once market crosses this level, you need to wait for at least 4 hours. Okay, you need to wait for at least 4 hours. You need to see a closure of at least one candle. Okay, if you see that after 4 to 6 hours, okay, market is trading comfortably above this level, above this black line, okay, above this resistance. If you see that market is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, okay, market is trading not facing any problem, okay, then you can go for a buy above this level, because this resistance, okay, this resistance has become the support now. Okay, and once the resistance has become the support, your risk to reward ratio will also match, and you will also be not be compromising with the trading discipline. So first trading opportunity is wait for the market to cross come to the 50 moving average. If it takes support at the 50 MA, go for a buy. Second opportunity is if market crosses this level, okay, this level, then you can go for a buy, but you need to wait for 4 to 6 hours at least for the confirmation. Okay, and I would like to show you one thing right now, that as you all know, I'm a fan of weekly time frame because I prefer to do multi time frame analysis. And if I go to the if I go to weekly chart, okay, if I go to weekly chart, okay, you can see that, okay, you can see that previous week, okay, previous week market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below. Okay. And this week market has formed a doji kind of a pattern. Still the trend of the market in this particular week is still not clear, but we have a good resistance at this particular level, 1.2380 level. Okay, that is the ultimate resistance for us in the weekly chart. Okay, and we can see here in this chart that, see, that level 1.21, that level, the resistance is very important to us, because see, previous week market tried to cross the high that it made in the week of in the first week of May. Okay, but it failed to cross the level. Market tried previous week, but market failed. So this week definitely it will try. In case it fails, then it will be a trouble for us. So as of now, okay, 2380 is the ultimate level, but as of now we need to keep our eyes on this level, 2175 level. Okay, so if you're confused, then okay, keep aside the weekly chart part. Okay, just concentrate on the chart right now that you have in front of your screen. Okay, just wait for the opportunity. If market crosses this level, it's a buy, and if market takes support at the 50 moving average, it's also a buy. So these are the two best trading opportunities as of now in the Euro USD chart for today and tomorrow. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.